Hi everyone! So today I will show you how to make a classic Neapolitan ragu with no pork because my husband doesn't eat pork and traditionally there is pork in it. The meat cooks in the sauce for about 6 hours and I serve it with rigatoni pasta, so let's make it! So in a Dutch oven, I heat the oil and I brown the meat over medium heat. Next, I remove the meat and set aside in a dish. And in the same pot, I'm gonna saute the onion and garlic for about 7 to 10 minutes over medium heat. Then I add tomato paste and I cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'm gonna pour in the beef broth and reduce for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I return the meat to the pot, including, any juices from the resting dish. I'm gonna add parsley, bay leaf, salt, pepper, and after that I just stir to combine. Next, I'm adding the crushed tomatoes. And I will let simmer for 6 hours over very low heat, and I will stir occasionally. At the end, I'm just skimming any fat from the surface of the sauce, and the sauce is ready when it's very dark, glossy, thick, and no longer tastes like raw meat. So I remove the meat and shred it into small pieces. After that, I return the shredded meat to the sauce. After that, you can enjoy your sauce with rigatoni pasta. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I will leave the link for the full description of the recipe in the description box of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.